guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm back. It's been a while. Hi friends. Shoot, yeah, it really has been a while. It's what, 3 weeks? Sorry for the delay. I was on a very long vacation. It was 2 weeks. Went to Orlando. Had a grand old time at Disney and Universal. But I'm back now. And it's time to get back to work. Now this video is probably going to be a lot of touching up on the interior. Before I left, I did record a little bit of stuff. I started working on the dash and making sure that it fit. Also did a little bit more in the engine bay to make sure everything matched up. I tried to do stuff with the air intake, but I have a gut feeling that the air intake doesn't actually fit. So that's an issue because it's been over 60 days since I bought it and can't return it anymore. So, no, I guess I'll have to get a new one. I'll confirm that, but I really don't think it fits. But it's fine. So this video, like I said, I'm going to be working a lot on the inside of the car, making sure the wiring harness sits right, cutting out some of the unnecessary metal. Once the dash is measured, I'll go ahead and make sure the gauge fits into the new dash. After that, try to get that engine bay completely done, put the radiator back in, get a battery. Also, unfortunately, the bolts to the drive shaft still have not come in, so I can't do anything with that yet. I'm looking at my list too to see what else I have to do. I do have to install the starter, and now that this is sitting up here, I can. I need to get some windshield wipers. I'm still probably going to get the insulation tape just because there's literally nothing in this car, and if I drive in it the way it is, I will cook. I will burn. It will be very hot. But honestly, things are coming along pretty fast. I'm really hopeful that I'll get this done soon. Also, quick update, I'm moving to Clovis, New Mexico for 2 years. I'm going to be kissing the DMV goodbye for a few years. It's going to hurt because this is my home, but you know, new experiences. And I will be taking Tempest with me. I just have to make sure I have a place for her. So she may sit here for a while, unless we find somewhere before we get there. But if not, she may be sitting in the garage for a little bit till I know I have a spot where I can work on her and keep her safe. So it'll be a little easier to transport if she runs. So kind of on the clock to get this thing running. So anyway, that's all my rambling. It's good to see you guys. I'm back, bitches. Let's get to work. Alright, this is where I left off before. I cut it myself. Granted, it's not perfect. You can see this is not at all straight. But it fits. And if it fits, it sits. Gotta get rid of that metal part that's poking out there on all of those. But the point was to make sure it fit. I'm going to see if I have any screws here, because if I do, then I can go ahead and secure it. And this is how, here is how I want the gauge to sit. So that's going to be the objective. I don't think I'm going to be out here for very long because I literally just got back from vacation not very long ago and I'm tired. But, it's crunch time, so I want to make sure I get as much done as I possibly can. That being said, let's mosey on over to the miscellaneous bag. It has a bunch of stuff that don't know where it came from. Pretty sure we're not using it, so we'll see if I can find some bolts in here. So I had 2 great things happen. One, I did find the 3 bolts that fit. Honestly, they just need small 10 mils, so found some. Also, I made a friend. As a consequence of having no insulation and a lot of holes in the garage. But he's kind of cute over here just minding his business. Look at him. I went ahead and measured out the gauge thing. I could cut it myself, but it's scary. I'm gonna do it, but I just want you guys to know it's terrifying. I should not wield this power, to be completely honest. Personal protective equipment, very important. This is like the cheap version of PPE. Just know I hate this. Here is the finished result. It's uneven, but I'm not mad about it. I definitely should have taken the plastic off first, but you know, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the plastic off, even though I probably royally fucked up by not taking the plastic off. I was just scared to because I didn't want to make any more messes, but you know, whoops. Hopefully it's not too late. Hopefully there's not a crap ton of damage I caused by leaving the plastic on, and then I'm going to spray it with this. One of these. Probably this. I'll spray it with that, let it sit, and I'll either figure out something else to do or see you guys tomorrow. We'll see. When I tell people I'm a dumbass, I'm not lying. So, that gloss enamel thing, protective enamel thing I got, thought it was clear. Wasn't clear. Surely wasn't. And I'm so upset. I'm probably gonna have to go get some of the paint remover because I'm stupid. And then I'll spray it over the right way. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I did that. I can't, but I did. So, I'm gonna go have to get some paint remover and do a clear coat, or paint it all white and then do the purple because it would match. I don't fucking know. I'm so mad at myself. Can't believe I did that. Son of a bitch. Okay, I'm gonna give myself some time to think and go make dinner. And I'm gonna let it be for now. I might be out again later tonight. I don't know. I'm so mad. I can't believe I did that. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit, either in a few hours or tomorrow. I need to reflect on my headassery, if you will. So, I'll see you guys later. Alright, so it is 3 days later. I got sidetracked, but I'm back. I have decided to just paint the whole thing because I don't feel like paying for paint remover. So, just gonna paint it purple to match some of the calipers. Yeah. And then continue on my search to see if I have any screws that'll fit, and I guess cut off the other metal that I no longer need in there. So I finished painting it a while ago, and I've been letting it dry, and it is the worst paint job I have ever done. Like, it's so bad. Like, if somebody gave this to me and I paid them for it, I would ask for my money back and then some. It's awful. I don't know how it happened. I'm not proud of it, but it's bad. But it's okay. It's not supposed to be perfect. One day I'll get better and I can remove this paint and try again. But it's covered, and that's what matters. So I'm going to let it dry and then put the clear gloss stuff over it. Also, I finally finished putting the rest of the gear fluid in the differential. It wasn't rusted or anything. I started it and I needed one more bottle, so I had to go get one more bottle. But it's full now, so you know what that means. one more thing. Take off this list. Gear, fluid, done. So while I was waiting for the, while I've been waiting for the paint to dry, I found some bolts that might actually fit the drivetrain. This one's slightly smaller, this one's pretty big. I think this one would probably fit over this one. So I'm gonna give these a try. I'm mostly looking to see if I can find more of them. If I can find more of them, then I don't have to order a bunch of them. And I don't have to order a bunch of them, then Alana will be happy because Alana saves money. Yeah, I'm gonna keep looking for them after I confirm that they fit. So, yeah, guess I'll do that now. Whoo, y'all, I got great news, wonderful news. So the bolt that I found fits great, actually. So the one that you're seeing right there was the one that I believe was 80 millimeters. I was curious to see if it would fit. Then came to find out that it didn't. But this one does, and I found a second one. Did not find a third one, but I at least found a second one. The second one definitely looks really messed up. So I'm definitely going to order more of these. Just got to figure out exactly what length this was. But yeah, we're coming along. And I guess I should probably tighten up those bolts because I literally just put this in here so I could confirm that it fit. I haven't done any, like, put any thread locker on anything, tightened anything up. So I'm probably going to at least tighten those up. All right, friends, it's time to finally put the starter in. So, have it here. Comes with 3, or it didn't come with, but it has 3 bolts. I found 3 that'll fit in the miscellaneous. And so here we are into the car, and it looks like this is going to be where the starter goes. You can see the 3 holes here. There's plenty of room. And there's also a wire down there that tracks all the way up here. So this is where the starter goes. Hey guys. So I made a bit of a miscalculation. The bolts that I found that I thought would fit the starter are the right thread, right general size, but the length isn't right. So can't do that yet, which is fine. I'll just order those with this. Only thing I can really do today is finish up the dash. So once I get the dash in, I'll cut it for the day. All right, I'm gonna get back over to that dash in about an hour, let it dry a little bit. I didn't realize there are 2 screws here and here that I did not consider before I painted it. So I have to drill some new holes. But after those are drilled in, I can put the dash in there, cut off the remaining unnecessary metal, and then we'll be done. Yeah? All right. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, friends. Here's the dash. It definitely doesn't look super great. I definitely could have done a much better job with the spray paint, but you know, it's painted, it's protected. I also, I did a clear coat and I did that right, so it's definitely protected. And here's the gauge. We're good. Which means it's time to mark another thing off the list. Where is it? Install dash and gauges. It's off. And all right, so we've marked 2 things off. I'm really happy. Hey guys, don't come for me. I forgot to record an outro and I just realized it while I was editing. So, thank you guys again for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications so you'll see it whenever I drop a new video. If you want to see more content, follow my Instagram at IamDriftDiva. That's all I got, and I will see you in the next one.